Hi friends, welcome to another math video this week. Now today we are doing an interesting little thing called capacity. So capacity is just a really fancy way to say how much something holds. So I have a little container here. This is just a Tupperware that I got out of my kitchen. And I have some paper that I've balled up to make look like snowballs. We're gonna see how many snowballs can fit into this container. Or, if we're gonna say it the scientific way, we're going to see what is the capacity of my Tupperware. So I'm gonna start putting in some snowballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it looks like they're kind of starting to spill out. We don't want them to spill out, but I think I can fit one more. 11. Oh, nope, that's too much. The capacity of this Tupperware is 10 snowballs. So let's look at a different way. This is an experiment that you can do at home with your parents. I have 3 different containers. And they all fit different amounts of water. I want you to see if you can predict, you can make a guess about which one of these is going to hold the most water. Pause the video here, or I'm going to give you 10 seconds, but if you need more time, you can pause the video and tell me, or tell a parent or somebody sitting next to you, which one of these is going to hold the most water. I'm going to give you some time to think. Keep it in your brain, see if you get it right. All right, so here's how we're going to do that experiment. I'm going to fill up a container. And then we're going to pour it in and see if it's too much for a container. So the first one I'm going to fill up is this one, because we can't see inside of it. So I'm going to fill it up. Got my thing of water here, and I'm going to try not to spill it everywhere. You have to be really careful when doing these kinds of experiments that you don't make a big mess. Although Miss Day loves to make big messes. All right, we're going to fill it up. Now, when you're filling it up to capacity, to however much it fits, you're not overflowing it. You're not putting more than it can fill, you're filling it up right to the top. So I've got this filled up to the top. So, did you predict that this one would hold the most water? Let's find out. I'm going to pour it into this one. Now let's see if we can pour all of this water into this. We'll see which one has the bigger capacity. All right, I'm pouring it all the way to the top. Looky there. I still have water in here. So does this have a bigger capacity than this? Yes, because I could not put all of the water in here into here. Now let's see if this has a bigger capacity than this. I'm going to pour the rest of this water and all of this water into here. We'll see if it all fits. All right, that's all that was left in there. So, ooh, their capacities are really close, but it's not quite big enough. Let's see. Let's see if it'll all fit into here. Oh man, friends, look. Do you see that? We have a little bit of space at the top, so we could put more water in here. So which one has the biggest capacity? The cup that says my name on it. This one has the biggest capacity because we put all of the water from here into here, and there's still more space to fill it up. So even though this one is taller, this one had more capacity. I wonder why. Do you know why? I'm going to give you 10 seconds to think about that. Talk to somebody next to you. Talk to an adult. Talk to a brother, sister, best friend, next door neighbor, whoever takes care of you. Talk to them. See what they think. Why did this one that's taller hold less than this one does? 10 seconds. What was your guess? Would you like for me to tell you what it is? This cup is wider than this cup. Remember yesterday we talked about height and length? This cup from side to side is longer than this cup is side to side. Even though this cup has more height, this one is longer, so it holds more. Now this cup is the longest of all the cups, but it's so short that it doesn't hold as much. Now it did hold almost as much. We saw there was only a little bit of water that didn't fit, so if it was just a little bit taller, it would have fit everything. So if we're gonna line these up from biggest capacity to smallest capacity, we're gonna put this one as biggest, this one in the middle, and this one as the smallest capacity. Is that what you predicted would happen? Maybe it was, maybe it wasn't. If you got that right, tap your forehead and give yourself a pat on the back. Great job. My friends, you can do this experiment at home with whomever takes care of you, as long as you're careful not to spill water everywhere. Miss Day almost made a mess here too. I hope you guys have enjoyed our capacity talk today. I hope you've enjoyed our experiment, and I hope you have a wonderful STEAM day tomorrow. Bye-bye.